My name is Miriam Kenyanjui, and today is on September 2018, 2020, and I'll be explaining on how to obtain cream catch specimen for a female. So first you start by obtaining your equipment and supplies. We need a specimen cup, and we need three wipes. You place them in a paper towel. Then the specimen cup, you place it in a flat surface, and you avoid to touch the inside of the sterile cup. So you open the cup and you avoid touching the inside of the cup. So then you sit down in the toilet. Then you expose the labia, exposing the meatus. Then you take the three wipes and you wipe from front to back, each time using a different wipe. And when still holding the labia, you start urinating. Then in the process of urinating, you take the specimen cup and you place it on the stream of urine running down the toilet. Then you place the specimen cup on the flat surface and you continue urinating. Then after you're done urinating, you close the lid of you take the lid and close the cup, and you take it to the laboratory, and that's how you obtain a clean catch urine specimen.